The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yeah man. Pussy blood clot.
Give me the number 5 for you.
I'm really listening to fucking Sunday. Jaja.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. So that video that I just presented to you, that video is circulating on social media where it is said that correctional officers from the Horizon Adult Remand Center in Kingston, Jamaica had been arrested by police within the country of Jamaica for trafficking contraband into the institution. See me? Some persons might also call it prison. Yes, see me I say? Yeah, I don't have any confirmed information as to when those persons actually had been arrested, you see me? You know, and you know, something similar happened to another correctional officer at a different adult correctional institution within Kingston, Jamaica as well too. You see me? Not long ago, you know what I mean? But anyways, you know, I'm just letting you know about that video that is circulating on social media. You see me? I say, yeah, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna move on to another video. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video. Now, there's a video circulating on social media that shows an altercation between a man and the police somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video shows when one of the police officers assaulted the man. Now, I do not have a lot of confirmed information about this video that is circulating on social media. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video was recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video was recorded. One of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. And I'm also presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Big fuck cream are going within a dark kitchen thing. Big fuck cream are going within a dark. Watch out. The man a there nothing, brother. The man a there nothing down. A boxy big man in a dog. That's some joke thing that in my youth.
Now, some of the comments made on social media about this video gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police should not have hit the man. Some of the comments made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are asking what could have caused something like this to have happened. Now, I do not have much information about this video that is circulating on social media, but the video is being talked about on social media, so I presented the video to you to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? And if you listen to some of the things that a person in the background of the video said, viewers and subscribers, you might get the understanding that the person said that the man did not do anything, or the man did not do the police anything, or so on. Alright, but anyways, overall you can let me know what you think about that video, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. Now, there's a video circulated on social media where it is said that alleged robbery suspects had been held by the police somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, many allegations have been made about this video on social media, and many accusations as well. As I say, right? Now, according to some things that I read on social media about this video, you see me I say? Yeah, because I read some comments, you see me? Some of the comments that had been made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police arrested gunmen who were on a robbery spree. And some of the comments that had been made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that those men are not gunmen. They had been released from police custody and no gun had been found. See it? Now, before I present this video to you, I'm going to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, a question. Are those men gunmen or not? See it? Let me know what you think, right? Let me know if you think those men are gunmen or not. You can leave your comments in the comment section of this video and tell me what you think about this video, alright? Yeah, because you see, sometimes you have videos circulating on social media with misleading informations or wrong informations. You understand? You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I keep it real, alright? Alright, now before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Say tight, my friend. Yo, chief.
Let's see you want to strap on.
Yo. Chief, yo. Yo no Sarawaga.
Suck your mother, Banty boy. Suck your mother. I chop you have it? That guy to the pussy. Boy, flesh out one year they're supposed to hold. That guy to you. I don't want to know. Boy, I saw the pussy. Man, I feel the Banty boy. Suck on the mother here.
How I go down? Okay.
What do you mean? Two of them come on. You see one more.
And a bar like beer girl now come here.
So all of them get fucking head dance. Everything get fucking rich. Nah, I tell you, there's one dope back there, you the fuck. I true car still. 4 man come out, 1 and 3 man, 4 man come out next time. And then police come on and car on the side. No, I didn't. Yeah. No juice. No more juice in there. The man don't juice out. Roll out a juice. Fuck out of the boat. Oh yeah, you don't know him, Matt? They are what? Fucking teeth. And punch.
All this can. Wow.
Oh, wait, left a while ago.
If you can't go down there, so. No matter what they're running, you can't go down there, so. You can't go down there, so fast. Come see you go, so you can't. Them can't pass.
No.
They can't pass.
No, anyway, you
So
are.
you see them, they say you can't pass. Oh, they're going
How much you can pass one? You can pass one.
Go on,
You can pass one.
to see.
Them not stop you from pass.
Yeah, them big and around people who want to more gunshot in all the flood. Watching the left turn this way, yeah? So them more come on the road in. Everything cool, man, everything cool, and everything cool. Loud again. Can't put it on, man. Come.
How much carry?
Are those men gunmen or not? That's the question me, Dancehall Skilla, asks. You see? Look, me try to keep things real, you know, because I wouldn't want to know that there is a video circulating on social media that shows me, Dancehall Skilla, with wrong information behind it. You see me, I say, if me do something, me rather know, say, that I got talk about on social media. I don't want to know, say, that me eat an egg and then you hear say me name a sausage instead. No, me don't want that. So you see me try to keep it real. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. Alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. With a big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.